Good afternoon. My name is J. Robert Leach. I'm the chair of the Washington State Public Disclosure Commission. This is July 17th, and this is the brief adjudicative proceeding calendar. Since we don't have anybody participating, I think we'll dispense with the introduction. We normally provide an overview of our enforcement process, but there's nobody to hear it who isn't already familiar with it. So I think we'll go to Jordan. You have the first set of cases on my calendar.
Yes, sir.
You want me to put you under oath?
Yep.
Do you affirm under penalty of perjury under the laws of the state of Washington, each of you, that the testimony you give in your respective proceedings shall be the truth?
I do.
I do.
Jordan, please proceed.
All right. So this is going to be PDC cases 174542, Josh McBride, and 174545 against Ana Maria Moreno. Both these respondents are candidates running in the 2025 election and were required to file their C1 and F1 reports within 2 weeks of becoming candidates. Neither of them have filed their reports as the date of today's hearing. None of them have any prior violations, and none of them are participating with us today. Staff recommends you find a violation of RCW 42.17a.205 and RCW 42.17a.700 for filers with no prior violations who failed to file the C1 and F1 reports prior to the hearing. In this case, the base penalty for those violations would be $250 per report.
My chart says 150 on one and then 250 on the other. Is it 250 for each of these?
Yeah, it's we have that in there just in case someone files before the hearing.
Okay.
So it's neither of these guys filed their reports.
All right. I'm going to find that Josh McBride and Ana Moreno both have violated RCW 42.17a.205 and RCW 42.17a.700 for failure to file both the C1 and F1 reports before today's hearing. I'm going to impose upon each a penalty of $500. I'm going to suspend $200 of that upon the following conditions. One, that the unsuspended $300 is paid within 30 days of the date of our written order. And two, that there be no further violations during the next 4 years. Do you have any questions, Jordan?
Nope, that's perfect.
Okay, that gets us to Shelley, and you've got Mr. Miller.
Yes, I do, sir. Yes, Mr. Miller has failed to file the 42.17a.205 in a timely manner for the candidate registration C1 report for the election year 2025. The report has not even been filed as of today's date. Terry Miller, as case number, it was 174544 for the fire commissioner for King County Port District 20. This is his first violations. There's no priors. And the recommendation from staff for the penalty is $250.
Thank you. I'm going to find that Terry Miller has violated RCW 42.17a.205 by failing to file a C1 report before today's hearing. I will impose a penalty of $250. I will suspend $50 of that upon the following conditions: that $200 is paid within 30 days of the date of our written order, and that he have no further violations during the next 4 years, and that he file the C1 report within that same 30-day period. And Jordan, I want to add to the conditions for the two that you had, that they file the missing reports within the 30-day period as well.
Absolutely.
I forgot to say that.
And Chair, the next person looks like it's Colin.
Okay, Colin.
Thank you very much. This final case is PDC case 174548 against Janelle Burke. The respondent is a candidate for school director in the Everett School District 002. Staff is alleging that the respondent violated 4217A 700 by failing to file the personal financial affairs statement, PDC Form F1. The F1 report was due to be filed with the PDC within 2 weeks of the candidate declaring their candidacy with the appropriate elections office or otherwise becoming a candidate. The respondent has failed to file the missing F1 report by today's hearing. The respondent does have one prior violation with the PDC, and that is PDC case 95376. The respondent did not respond to the hearing notice or provide any information to the staff. So PDC staff recommends that you find a violation of 4217A 700 against the respondent for failing to file the F1 report and assess an appropriate penalty accordance with WAC 390-37-143 for a filer with one prior violation who failed to file the F1 report by today's hearing. The base penalty amount for this violation is $500.
Okay. I'm going to find that Janelle Burke has violated RCW 42.17A.700 by failing to file an F1 report before today's hearing, and that she has one prior violation. I'm going to impose a penalty of $500. I will suspend $150 of that upon the conditions that she, one, pay the unsuspended part of the penalty within 30 days of the date of the written order, two, that she filed a missing F1 report before that same 30-day deadline, and three, that she have no further violations within the next 4 years. Any questions from anybody?
Nope. Thank you, sir.
Well, thank you. I think we're going to adjourn then. I hope you all enjoy the sunshine.
Thank
Take care.
you. Have a great day. Bye.
Bye.